found another dress, y'all. It's in my closet. Forgot about it. Dill and everything. That's good.
So to get this in, first I spray it with a little PD blaster to lube up the tube.
Oh, too much dead.
This is why you don't touch capacitors. One. Boom! You just seize the broom. Ah. Why are you cutting the potatoes this size?
Well, pretty much bite size. Well, they stay roasted on the outside and like kind of a little creamy on the inside.
A little softer.
Oh yeah, they're roasted on the outside and then they taste like a potato on the inside. I'm not trying to make chips. These red potatoes are smaller. If you had usually they're about 3 times this size, so you would be cutting them a little differently. But as long as they're about this size, that's all you really need. It's about 1 inch.
So is there a reason you did the pan versus a bowl?
You can do a bowl. Sometimes I like to just do a one pan thingy where I'm not dirtying up a bunch of dishes, you know. So I just do it all in one pan, mix it up in one pan, and then cook it that way. Just saves on dishes. It's not really a preference. It's just more of a not dirtying dishes. Just your hands. Now I'm flattening them down to make them even, because we want them to be evenly cooked, not stacking up on each other. Oh God, they smell so good.
I'd be licking my fingers after I did that.
Oh yeah, you want to lick?
Them look really good, babe.
Well, they've been marinating for about 20 minutes. It's about the extent that you want to do to it.
Why wouldn't you marinate them longer?
Well, because potatoes, raw potatoes, have water in them. And the longer they set, the water just starts forming down here with the oil, which I already see a little bit of it, but it's okay right now. But if you left it, it'll be almost like mush.
Ooh, what's mushy?
Well, it'll be like fried mush. Okay, I'm gonna take them out now, babe. Oh yeah. Yummy. I'm gonna take pictures. Babe.
Y'all stay tuned.
Like 6 or 7 big. That's what she said, right?
6 or 7 big? I doubt she said that.
Okay. Oh, forgot my stuff. Oopsie. Spin the half a teaspoon. I'm not very organized, y'all. Okay.
Oh, them suckers are sizzling.
Nope, not done. Nope.
Look at Danielle's beautiful dress.
Bought it a year ago. Forgot it was in my closet. Oh, I bought it on ThredUp, a used place, for like $4. I'm cheap. What are you doing?
Getting a video of my sexy woman.
Behind the scenes? No. You look hideous.
No, you never look hideous.
Now they know my oven turned off. Picking out my... Seriously, this needs to happen soon. I'm gonna get some more. But I actually can't really part with these because, you know... That's a Christmas one. This was from our wedding 24 years ago. Look how sad that is.
You know how many times I burnt my fingers on them?
Well, this one's pretty good. There's no holes in it. Well, that one right there, but it's fine. The other ones are more holy. Seriously. I don't know what it is. I'm partial to my old stuff. I don't like new stuff. I even bought an old dress. It's been used.
Looks beautiful.